See, we're out here at the Avon Park field. We're gonna take up the Arrows F8F Bearcat and have a little bit of fun with her. This is one great flying warbird here. Let's get her down here. Get her down here, do ourselves a little bit of a range test here. Haven't flown this plane in a little while. So, track's great on the ground. Really, ground handling is wonderful in this plane. All right, do ourselves a range test here. I've already done my CG test and everything, and we're in good shape. Bring her back here. Okay. All right. Get her turned around here. We'll take off to the east. Good looking bird. Love the yellow on that, on that prop. So, all right. Well, here we go.
Gear up.
Boy, that's a good looking bird right there. About 3/4 throttle there.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
All right.
Flaps up.
Very easy plane to land. She just floats right in. Just floats right in.
Gear up. Gear down.
Sorry,
Landing
folks.
flaps.
Oh, is that not pretty?
Gear up.
Well, against that sun there. Here, let's do another nice pass here. Slow pass. Flaps are down. Oh boy.
Gear down.
All right. Not bad at all.
Takeoff flaps.
Steer that rudder.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Full speed right there, folks. That's full speed.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Oh, Well, you can't ask for better than that.
Gear up. Landing flaps. Gear down.
Boy, she'll slow down so pretty. Let's do a nice slow pass here against that sun. Gears down, flaps are down. Get a good look at that. Oh man, is that not pretty? Oh, she flies so nice and slow and stable. This is just a great warbird. If you're looking to get into warbirds, this is probably one of the best bets you can get right here. These Arrows warbirds they got, they're 1100 millimeter series. They are awesome. As soon as that Corsair comes available, by golly, I'm getting one. Don't tell my wife, okay? Come in about 16th throttle. Just let her set in, come in nice and level. Man, oh man. Boy, you gotta love it. All right, well, folks, that is it. That is the Arrows Bearcat, F8F Bearcat. This is the plane that went on to be the first plane in the Blue Angels, I believe. I hope I'm right about that. But this plane doesn't have lights, but it's got flaps and everything else, you know, your ailerons, your rudder, your throttle, elevator, a steerable nose or a steerable tail wheel, you know. And here's what you want to hear.
Motor off.
That's what you want to hear before you touch it. All right, folks, there you go. That is the Arrows F8F Bearcat. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy Turkey Day.